Hello everyone, welcome back to FixAge. In this quick video, I will show you how to change your display resolution in Windows 10 and 11. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. First, right click anywhere on your desktop and select the option Display Settings. This will open the Display Settings window. Scroll down on the right side to find the option called Display Resolution. Here it is. Here you will see a drop-down list with different resolution options. Windows will usually recommend the best option for your monitor. Click the drop-down and select the resolution you want. For example, I am selecting this one. Once you select, Windows will show you a preview and ask if you want to keep the changes or revert. If you want to keep the changes, click on Keep Changes if the screen looks fine, or else click on Revert to previous resolution. If your screen looks blurry, always switch back to the recommended resolution. If you want larger text and icons, you can also adjust the scale right above the resolution options. Here it is recommended to 125%. You can reduce or increase the percentage according to your needs. That's it. You have successfully changed your display resolution in Windows. If this video helped you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to FixAge. Thank you for watching.